It's kind of late now, but not hungry anyway. Put a little onion in this. Me put a little onion in this. I never know. Me put a little onion in this. Me have no clue. What me put? I don't want to put too much. I don't want it too sweet. I want it barely sweet. God is great and His mercy, Father God. Thank you for this day. Thank you for everything, Almighty God. I've done. It's only you, Father God. Thank you for everything. All the hate will disappear and the love will come. Because it's good against evil. Not evil against evil, it's good against evil. And once you're good, you're always going to be blessed. You see? Once you're good, you're always going to. My house closed and my yard closes. How much years may I have this now? What 2 years may I have this now, you know? I'm wearing the house. Still stand every time I wash it, just beautiful like new again. How much? I think I $15 I pay for this, you know. 2 years ago, like $15. You see it in a Queens and I buy it for $15 if it's so nice. Because down here so kind of baggy. Yeah. And then up as a whole but it clean on my own. Anyway, I'm there for the whole time. I'm supposed to go up on the road and my phone not working. The other phone is not working good. He said, sorry if you call to get your cream and you can't get me. But don't worry, in a little while I'm going to go and replace it and get a new one. Because me have the iPhone is private. I mean, I want to give out that number because many people will call me and I try to talk to them. So I have 2 different phones. One for you guys call me and chat as much as you want and shit. And another private one. So right now I have a yogurt, old plastic. For yogurt, I don't take off the nails and make me fight and get off a couple of them. It's so painful. Because I try to get them out so I can do my own nails and not bother with it ever again. So you see all my fingers are bust up. So if you see my finger look, I fight with them. I get off the big toe, one I found my big toe. It looks so ugly, this big old nail on my big toe. It looks so nice without the thing. And when the nail come off it, it looks so pretty and neat. You know, I'm not doing that to myself anymore, this nail stuff. I'm telling him, clean my feet myself naturally and my nails naturally and polish them. I'm not gonna bother with this upper long nails and this whole fang around these Chinese people anymore. After what I go through, me eye and the germs and everything, I'm not going back. I'm not doing it to myself. It's a waste of money. If you go back every 2 weeks, you put on your nail. I don't want to spend $80, $90 for my nail. I don't put on the color and the sitting in pan it. And you talk about every 2 weeks that you spend almost $100. But you buy lunch and everything and transportation where you go for get your nails done. Trust me, you spend more than $100. And the next 2 weeks, you're going to spend another $100. And by the next 2 weeks, you're going to spend another $100. Right through the year, how much money that? No, sir. If you want to put on your little nail, you can buy like a press-on nail. I go on special occasion and put them on paint nail and take them off yourself. I'm not doing it anymore. Signage, Chanawango. Sorry for that, No wanna do nails today? No wanna do nails. Wanna do eyebrow? No wanna do eyebrow. Why no wanna do nail? I do nail for you good. You pay before $25 for tip. Today, I give you $20. You can do lash $25. I give you $20 for lash. You do nail, you do lash, you look beautiful, boyfriend like that. You pretty lady. When you know you're ugly like a mongoose and look frightened like a old cunt. When we're in a teardrops, them not tell you that, you know. You know, I look like cunt in a teardrops a peep tree. You ever see a cunt a teardrops when they sit down bad? My God, look like rotten about the catches. All when you look like that, you're going to forget to do your yaya. Then nah, tell us your ugly lashes make you look ugly, you know, baby. Then nah, you wanna do lash? Boyfriend like. You do nail. Now you do style nail. They cost the nail, long pointy nail. More sexy for you. Boyfriend gonna like you. Boyfriend don't like you if you ugly no matter how much you put nail. Why you not tell people boyfriend don't like ugly? You put more lash, more ugly. No tell. You want money, right? I tell you, I got it, man. I've been doing this shit for years. I even could braid like how this look because I spend so much money the African shop and all that. You know, my sister, when you need to put the voodoo on the skull, oh. You put the voodoo on the skull, you keep coming back. Fine braids in front, some big ass giant braid in the back. You Chinese lady, you sit down now, no finish with you yet too. No finish. No, the egg they call, oh. love me till me weak. Yes, child. Hungry man. I'm supposed to go out. I can't eat egg at this time of day, but put these bread in the oven. Because I'm tired of eating it dry when I come like cardboard. I'm just going to do it no more. Black coffee, no milk. Look a bit of honey. Can I first see me? Your boyfriend like you. Okay, I take the stealing on the nail. You gonna take? Because your boyfriend gonna like. Yes, I'm gonna take. Put. Damn, I don't want to drop. Damn, so the honey that I saw. And that is fly. I'm just clean all places, bleach on the whole places and the fly now. One just come back in there. For wipe out that good because when you get the honey pan for them thing, then I stop flying pitch up on the place. All the bleach, I set enough bleach water like a goodie say and it kill some of them. Like goodie say use bleach, you kill some of them. The bleach water kind of burn me and Melifina. And it kill some of them in the ear. Yeah, goodie. Yeah. So you know, they shape your nail real nice. Move my man. I don't know where you come from all of a sudden. You find the voodoo yesterday and take you out of the house. Whole bag of pretty ugly looking sitting with a white woman put in there, come through UPS. Anyway. Oh, yes. I do nail for you. You just nail nail? Oh, you have pretty hands, you know. I like finger pretty. Pretty finger, you have pretty finger. Eh? You want to do gel polish? Stay a long time. You do gel polish, stay a long time, beautiful long time. They know say 2 weeks you have to come back in them caca old tear drawers. They know say 2 weeks you have to come back anyway. Gel and no goddamn gel. You see, I'm tired of this shit. I'm never gonna come off the Chinese for the whole week. I'm gonna do a Kermash, a Chinese. What you call it? And then I make fly come for my food. I'm trying it up here. Send it in here, but on mama. Hey, why, yoy? I know this is too much grease in a girl, but I gotta get something in those butt cheeks before they go flat. You know them shit, you don't eat, they go right back down. One fly, I don't know where you come from. Come. Whole place clean, believe me. Spotless, you know, no laundry, clean carpet, everything. I don't know where you come from. I love you too. I only have 7 eggs and I think it's 6 or 7 sides of bread. Which is not a lot because I'm going easy because I'm going outside. So I don't like to eat anything heavy. When I'm going on the road now to get the phone and stuff, I don't want to do any heavy food. My fish and my rice and my tail and something. So I say, I'm going to go light and get something light until, you know, I come back. Go home with him, come back. Yeah. I don't know for you. Now, you put a gel nail. You want to put design. Gel nail of color inside, lot of sequin inside. Nice gel polish. How much for the gel polish? Only $35 more. 2 hands, $35 more. Want the toenail? Big toe, design, $7 more. White line, small toe, $5 more. Each foot. To the make smooth, the foot smooth, $15 more. I take the saran wrap, I wrap medicine for your foot, smooth, nice. If your foot them tough and them bad color, then can't come better, you know they're not change the color, because you scrub them myself. And them out scrub them never change, you know. So when they go to them bad, put the dirty water for your foot, so you know, go clean, because if you can't get it clean, the fuck you can't clean. So you know, but you try to do the best we have, right? Because you know the kind of foot that we are deal with it. Yeah? And then don't know, then put your foot there. Take up like a dirty blue, sitting will look blue. And coloring, when they have one blue salt, it make your foot tough like a dry bullfrog. When they put that on your foot and clean your foot in days, you have to come back. You can't wait for 2 weeks. Your foot look like I suffer from some major diseases, you told them. You have to go back before the 2 weeks, honey, when that blue salt hit the water and the soap. It make your foot then tough like a cow skin. And I mean your foot then get tough, the back of them get hard. You have to wait. My foot never hard so before me got the Chinese and what's going on? No problem for that. You put $15 more soft and smooth for you. You give them $15 more and I wrap up and sit until your feet are burn your foot. The chemical are burn your foot at this time because no dead skin of the your foot. It just bad color and it can't come good. So you say, no, it's burning me. You know, no, it's good. I said, no, man, I gotta wash the shit off my foot. It's burning me. This chemical, whatever you put on my foot bottom, it's burning me. And that was the truth. Wash that shit off. I said, come on, you're gonna clean arm to it. They don't want to clean to your toe and cut chin to the cuticles of your toe, you know. They want to make you dash like a water pan it and take time, pick with it quick and stop. They don't want to sit down and pick out right on the toe them clean and properly. They make you pick out a little bit and left the little rest in there and take nail polish and come up here and make you shove it through the door. And you want a tip for expect to get more tip. So I tell you, I was a damn fool to them. I was. $5 tip, $7 tip, you know, feeling good that they might get a, you know what I mean, more or whatever. Yeah, so Berry asleep. I put her out. She came in here and go into the plastic container with the laundry clothes, them phone it over them and go in and go lie down and sleep. Sneak up and go up in them and know she get up in there. And when I look, I saw berries and no berries and going and sitting with the cold clothes, I bury myself up and me clean things and make me smell like berry me walk out the road. So I say, oh, that's why I have to wash everything out of the bucket. I wonder why it smell like you and you're not even in the room. That's because you sneak in the room and I think you're outside, you're in here sleeping in my clothes then when I wash also. So I said, no, you can't do that. She go and sleep in the clothes and when I wash, hide and sneak and go in the container, hide up and go sleep. Feel sweet and then smell sweet. I'm saying, Berry, that's wickedness. Because I catch her this man, I said, Berry, you can't do that. I want her and put her out and things that was enough. Never know when Berry come back in and go back in the same spot and go out my clothes and sleep. Damn. Tell you, I'm never for leaving this house. Anyway, I'm not stop putting in the car. I want people to stop buy Chinese food, so I'm not going to stop. So I'm not going to want to stop my cream from sale. I'm going to stop the Chinese food, the dog bar from sale. No, and a white bread. I eat white bread. Pure whole wheat. Strictly whole wheat. This is completely. You know, so it tastes so good now, but it warm, be hot enough to feel good and good on. Yeah. You know? You do white line for your tone, no problem. You do lash, you do design. When I come to the end now, they're not that friendly anymore. They're not gonna be talking up to you anymore. They get serious now because I'm about to collect all that money. Fun and joke is aside. You're gonna pay before you finish polish nail. Then I want polish your nail before you pay because they think you're a criminal. So they're going to do everything else and they're going to wash your hand and then you have to pay because once you polish them, think you're going to walk out. So they think you're a criminal right off the back. Everybody them put you as first as a criminal before them say that you're not a criminal and then probably think that you're a criminal even when you pay them and walk out. Because if whatever, I love you the 8th one. I love you and I thank you to be in here. And whosoever your master is, that send you over here is because you and your master is just worthless alike. One cannot get nowhere and the only way you can get to feed upon people's flesh. And you cannot get nowhere. One cannot stop people from loving me and be who I want to be. One 8 is not going to stop me. All I can say, I love you. And I'm sorry for you. I'm sorry that you're in that position. You have to get up and eat or have some devil who is your father or your master or your devil group and I push each other to come and send Olivet 8. When I wasting the time when the picnic I get 8 out of street. When the own kids you push out when I get 8 out of street because the 8 you all given to me. It goes back in the universe coming I don't know nothing. Me not take on a man. Me not take on a dirty drawers. Me not come on the yard come sleep or beg on nothing. And some other man. Me not suck pound. Me not beg on no money. Me not boops no. Me not call, me not do a blasty thing. So who's to want company and eat because no bad mind people love me and bad mind me can chat because me did nyam fall batty when me did young. Go and go nyam fall papa and finger them when you're young and chat too much too and use it and make your talent and Don't use your talent for bring down other people and curse them like dog or try to tell them off the internet to make yourself feel good. You're a wastress. You're just a pile of dog shit that don't have a life. And when you cannot get a life, you wake up this morning and you turn on your house left to right and you feel miserable. The way to come and take it out on me. But you see you can't take it out on me. Can't take it out on me. Because the Lord said, the Lord is my shepherd, and I surely not want. And yea, do I walk through the valley of shadow of death, and I shall fear no goddamn evil. Let's say amen and praise the Lord today. I said the eightful one, go and sit down and watch me do this shit. I'll not find one. How much my nail now? Oh, you bill now. This was what $120. $120. $120. I take off. Last $20, first tip nail $20. But you wanna get nice nail, boyfriend like. Cost more money for the length. Cost more money for the shape. There you get the white line, design too big toe, design this way. Money, you know. It is more. Before now, $160. Now you pay $125. Oh, okay, $120. No problem. Okay? You nice lady. You nice lady. You come 2 weeks. Okay? You give them $5 on top of that now and just turn Rabiano. You nice lady. Like your hair. Beautiful now with lash. Everybody like. You look beautiful. Nice lady. I tell you, husband go like. You married to your boyfriend or just boyfriend and you know husband? Huh? Your boyfriend. Oh, yeah, boyfriend. Marry you now. Nice. Nice nail, sexy you. Come 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks. Come 2 weeks. Oh, yeah, 2 weeks. Spot your nice, put them up your pie and slap it fucking up in your hand. Slap the up in your hand for your come back. Slap the up your. Come on, me so know, me know exactly what it is. Not dirty hypocrite. When I tell them say I love them eat you. Them eat you like a eat you, baby. I want them eat you for Olivet. And the little robins where I sell. You have to go suck in your throat and be a sucker ball of the please them. Hallelujah not. I said, glory be to God, I shall eat egg and bread. And I will stay and talk until the head get red. Come on, send it to mad red head. Come on, get damn it. Goddamn fools coming to America to sit here talk about y'all grouping up in somebody's life because your life is a goddamn waste. Because you can't find no love, you can't find no goddamn peace, and you can't find no egg, you can't find no goddamn bread. Nam the head, girl, nam the bread. Make them get mad, get in them head. Send them mad, get on the red head. Make them get mad, get on the head. Nam the red and yam it on the head. Tomatoes and make them drop dead. Work it, baby. Work it, baby. Work those jawbones, girl. That's how you work it, baby. Work it with the egg and the bread now. Work it. Work it. Work it. Papa. But I have not one. So, and Gloria, God help me out. Then try to stop me everywhere, but God said, I'm not a talent. I bad mind, I kill someone has some nasty mind on the internet. I want to release some of the nastiness to the public and I'm so shocked. I can't be that sound evil and bad mind inside. I'm shocked. Turn to really come out and make people know want to stay. Can't get no way bad mind, remember I tell you. No way. God tries to eat. I will bring forth my fruit, my son. 27, soon 28. And if you have done a job, a very good intelligent boy, you're not thief. And Papa was alive, and Papa was not thief, Nana. Time. Oh, man. It's time, piece of fish up. You know, baby, I'm there for that, every time I do it. You take a piece as me talk, right? So I'm here, huh? I love you all too. God is the most greatest one, you know, goodies. At the end of the day, God we have and love we have. And once you can keep your heart free of love, you're always going to be funny. People are always going to like you. The ones who hate you, and send the hate are the one who follow you. And some of them in your box. They're not ashamed. Don't come on so you can know what time you come on to start hate you. What a job them have here. Reckless trash bag, you know, somehow, you know. But we said, go and get a Wang Fang soup. Go and get a thinking to a soup. Go and get between a two chicken soup at the Chinese restaurant. Go ahead and get a Wang Fang soup. You know, nasty Wang Sang soup. Hey. Go and go get your Wang Sang soup. Go and go get your dog toast soup. Go and go get your dog egg soup like they make the goated soup. Shiny fix, you know, and that's the truth. You no want to cuss me like me a brute. You no realize you go down at the Chinese restaurant and go get your batty shit soup. Whoa, you me they want to recruit. Bad mind not kill them, then just can't take it. Lord, you're so grateful. Take a bite, haters. I love you. I'm sorry for you. Come on. I know you're feeling pain at this moment that I can't take away. But I keep praying to God every day that He will deliver you from your sins and your corruption. I know the voodoos and the other man that you've been working with and trying to make the other to put you out in life to make you get somewhere in life. You're not going to get nowhere. The hobby is dead. Only God blood is really living, you know. Me mother Wally. Oh, I surrender. All the now. Eat up yourself and look good at it. Skin up burn and pretty, look shine, drink enough water. And pray as usual. And somebody may want your body and can't get with them big old nasty what they self. Get up and stop, come on a profile. Come put 8 big old dirty crutches, man, and go find work. Lazy dog. Some man do have a clean up place, dirty and full of muck and dirt. You know, lay down and fucking sleep like you know a baby. Pan dirty muck. And talk about you know, this and high. I know have education and this and the better off and people. Nasty ass. No man I want to know. No woman don't want to know, trust me. Not so many my man to know woman alone. You have to tell them. When they worthless and what you do with them. One going to must do with them. You have to do with them. Otherwise you want to make up a fake profile, you know, and go on like a somebody else harass you up on the line for try bring you to make you feel bad. Things you are going to run come to them for cover. Get out of here and go ahead and go find something better for them in life and leave the woman business alone. They're more harder. When I want to walk around and vex, sometimes you see them, they want to vex and go on like say, owe them obligation, like your front belongs to them. They're more harder. You don't dirty thinking out. Listen to me, yeah? Amen. Language stink. Language, you burn a fire, Jamaica. What would you call language? They make coal skill. They burn fire all night. Some of them language burn fire all night, but stink. If a man may look for come show me and burn fire with lagwood and burn it all night, and that me look for. I'm looking for the glory that God sent to me. Hallelujah. God said you shall eat, girl, and you shall sleep in peace. You should take a shower in peace. You should take a number 1 and a number 2 in peace. God said within your heart you shall find peace. When the whole world is tumbling down, Olivet, you must find peace. Because nothing in this world but sin. Nothing in the world but some hate and bad mind. But if you can find God, you will find peace. If you find God, you will eat enough. If you find God, you will sleep good. If you find God, you will look good. If you find God and peace in your heart, you're always going to find hate because you find peace. Hallelujah. Amen. I want to go buy one tank. What about one tank soup? 5 rice. One fried rice, 6 chicken wing. One for your lunch. One for your lunch. Hey boy, I tell you, Miss Cockafort, you need to talk to the people. I'm gonna get the phone just now. Just give me a minute. The phone is not working. You're calling get a cream and I'm gonna get you. I'm so sorry. The phone just now work good for a couple of days. Well now. And it'll get trouble. And I think it did this time. I don't know, for 5 years or 4 years. I don't longer had that cheap ass one. I don't know, but I don't change things easy. You know, I hold on to it till it's done. That's my problem. So I guess it's just done at this moment. The battery can't work. And you know, Lamb could have freaking change the phone. I mean, that's ridiculous. And I just keep it till it's done. It's just the kind of person I am. I'm not a brag and show off person. You know what I mean? I keep that shit and keep it till it's done. Once you have some left for the old house, rat house, with the whole long what you before I still have it until it's not right, you know. So I will definitely go buy one. I love you too. That's right, honey. Don't show off. Do what you can until it's done. Huh? Yeah. I love you too, Goody. I'm here for that, Nicole Waters. God bless you. Yeah. You are. You know what happened? Everybody coming here, they complain. One lady coming here, she say, I buy the rip tip from you. Rip tip of one dog nail. I said, dog nail. Dog nail where? Where you see dog nail? Where you see dog nail? Look. I don't see no dog nail. Me no blind. Me no see dog nail. I buy this rip tip from you today, ma'am, and I'm telling you, it's a dog paw. No dog paw here. You don't like? You want something else? You don't like? Give me what you need. Give me some pork fried rice and give me some boneless chicken. Okay. You wait 5 minutes. Fagana! I call you. Come in. Come. You get a dog meat, make the fried rice. Get a young dog leg, boneless. Cook, put. When you make it, you spit too. You spit. Spit, bitch. Bitch say problem, Nell. Look, she take food back. Say Nell here. Okay. No problem. Take some rice out the plate. Put more dog meat. Put more. No problem. Okay, well, pay me. Go. Enjoy. No care what you wanna say. It's true. Hey, you spit. Twat. Fried rice. Twat. Rib tip. Twat. Ram tongue soup. Twat. 5 chicken wing. Twat. Boneless rib tip. Twat. Shrimp and broccoli. White rice. Twat. Gravy. Wait. Shrimp and cashew nuts. Shrimp, cashew nuts. Vegetable gravy. Twat. Your pot make nice. People like. People gonna like. They always like same taste. To get same taste, you have to make same taste. Okay? Make same taste. Make same taste. Same taste. You gonna like. Same taste. Same taste. You like. I know you like it. Yesterday you come, you buy 6 wing. Today you come, you buy 12. The last time you send your daughter to come in. Boneless rib tip. Now your daughter fat. Very fat little girl. Because good rib tip, baby. Good rib tip. Who's calling me? Hold on. Hello? citizenship. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. The book. I read book. I read book. Citizenship, I read book to get. I read. I know. I go. Tomorrow early morning we go. Yeah, one. Yeah, one. Yeah. My husband coming here. My daughter coming here. My daughter friend coming here. My daughter boyfriend friend coming here. Mother coming here. Father coming here. Everybody coming here. Yeah, tomorrow I get citizen. Then after everybody come here. You see Jamaica. My cousin go Jamaica. After she go Jamaica, she sell a lot of fake bleaching cream to Jamaica. A lot of fake hair to Jamaica. Make big money, Jamaica hot, Jamaica nice. They have the smoke. They have the brain food. Jamaica. Now my cousin rich. Now they almost own all of Jamaica. One by one they come in. They take Jamaica. One by one they take Jamaica. Everybody go. But now I want to bring everybody else here to take the medical. And then they go vacation, they take the Jamaica rest, finish Jamaica. When Jamaica people need to go back to Jamaica, they can go back to Jamaica. They have to pay my cousin and the family now to drive on the Jamaica highway. Yes! No have sense. The government no have sense. Yes, so we have to go Jamaica. The government, the paper, the agreement, they look like they can read the agreement, and we take it and we break it and we do what we want. Now my cousin had one wife. Now we have two wives. Now we have three wives making a lot of big supermarket. Jamaica, lot of fake plastic rice, plastic flour, plastic Milo, plastic egg, even plastic watermelon or plastic saltfish. They support Jamaica with all. Now the rich, they take all Jamaica. Then after take Jamaica, we gonna forget about the plastic rice, and we gonna forget about the glamour zone that someone could just walk into my brother Mr. Chin and say, give me glamour zone, and then give your glamour zone, and the man drink the glamour zone, the man they die. You don't ask why you want the glamour zone. Make sure and wait for the information before sell the glamour zone. He didn't do that. My cousin just give the Jamaican guy. He said, my wife is cheating on me. I want to die. He run inside and he give my cousin. My cousin give him me drink. He never asked him if he want to give a baby. He never asked him what he wanted for. He never do further investigation before being sold. He just give it to him because the Jamaican have to go. Yes. All right, no more talking. Tomorrow, embassy. Okay. 6 o'clock morning. Okay, no problem. Problem no. Okay. You see what I'm telling you? Me go citizen tomorrow. America. I can move lot like Chinatown here. No worry for me. I'm happy. I don't know about you. All right, me go on there. Get me citizenship. Sit down in the back. Olivet smelly. Gotta go inside. Yes, ma'am. Who's the president? Barack Obama. Mr. Who? Mr. Rock. Rock. Mr. Rock Obama. He's a president. Michelle Obama. Who's in the White House? Michelle and Rock. They both is in the White House. Okay? Can you spell White House? Can you write White House? Okay, just write it here. You have to. Who is the... Another question is... Like the head of the army. Or what? The president. Name one of black of American Indian. Blackfeet. Blackfeet Indian. Blackfeet. Name one of American Indian. Blackfeet. That's why you got to know American and Indian and American was still important. And even though they kill out them all them still have to talk about them in America. They want to know one of the Indian is Blackfoot. One of the tribe was Blackfoot. Blackfoot Indian. Okay, miss? But you pass. Next question. Afternoon, ma'am. Chang. Right this there. Who is in the White House? White House. I paint my house white. My house white. Who is in the White House? Who is the president? No. My house white. Yeah, my house white. I sell chicken fried rice. I sell wings. No, ma'am. Who is in the White House? Who is the president? Percent? I pay tax. Percent. I pay tax. Percent. Ma'am, do you speak English? English, yes, English. Me paint my house white house. White. Ma'am, I'm sorry you're not passed. Hold. What? Cousin, why are you looking down like this? Why? I have to call my husband now, China. Coming out the big federal building in Manhattan. Crowd everywhere. What? Is the next person with our console like, all right, how she never pass and get another language. Not gonna move, China. Not gonna do like Jamaica. You're not passed, ma'am. I'm sorry. You're not gonna keep selling those rib tip and dog legs. And you're not going to do it. I'm leaving the house now. I have things to do. I love you. God bless you, the loved ones. And continue laughing. It's good for your heart. Stop it from heart attack. High blood pressure. It makes you look younger. And you have problem in your life. You just need to laugh. Even if you die, you need to laugh until you're dead. Okay? So, God bless you. I love you. See you later.